Ebusuya, sometimes no what things sembia. It's my odwini kwa chira busa ho senti nipa na o ka asem no. Sabi impaired asa odwini anasa ondwini. NDC guy be and dry your life at the say din come about in your ketu yankotro wasia. Or results no social studies any a comma say on Philip Otai be NC for the past 5 to 6 years there. Yenya results be at the social studies and easy subject I was account me personal amount for na fairly such ye di won komo. Na when na chese guy go comment section na to auto to a baba park na so to bo na chese. Should you also comment na oh let's pick this person maybe na obetimi and make some sensible arguments be na chese na so e dey have a discussion. Now when you pick guy na obaya chese some of the betu dwane busuya ese wani ensa o ka kire ese wani ensa o ka kire na eno na chese cause a big a year problem e wo media no so am na o ka say there ukopemu e wo TikTok e entitan video no so dia chese Ghana fo buafu a chese won kire say omo honi pa mo bodam te say nipa omo gi NDC achi da chese ne ensem ketoa na me no eye nipa bia na mo wasa life no so bi intimate dia course na pick guy no kan sem bia e very interest no say ekufo ado man kra no ko school dodo eno nti na won ko kire wase mo fele ye no. You see the mindset NDC in Nikita. Now the bro of no say can I know to do America na you know in it just say Jimmy Nkwa. Now they see you know very interesting. I will let you watch the video. Now what here in some way see here. Send your must explain no what you see. How you gonna some TV media am just so any promise. You more go tie nsem a see here. Na you aba be adwin.
Oh yeah, when that person we were not even in the mood for the person. Ama Williams joining and or dropping. No. Only for intimate or trust and another has spoiled our education system. No. I thought that he had reasons. So I brought him up to come and prove.
Today I'm using Kofi. I am moved.
There is no way to describe it.
The issue problems no. If a government can use 200 and something million or their quarter part, for defend no be all kind of from no school no one of the on yam one apa go sefo na yen only deal no sika na mo from no school on end this finish on ye no be all tonkoko odire mam on the wo baba nsem mama na dem go
Mr. Marcus wo we fa so be na benya wo so
I don't go we jimi sana.
How would that impact your life? And people are applauding and People are okay with but people find a problem in investing in education.
Any accent is accent. Any accent, which means you have been exposed. On put a Jimmy Damino. Aden. Bonnet background, as a people.
We about to snap and go how people.
I love my cool. The moment he started with that, his locally acquired foreign accent. No.
Emotion, you the accent the bushing. Now, accent, you know, about Sabadu Ukromo.
Sister Queer, where we need to and I mean to mean control me, no. Because listening to such idiotic person, no, a man.
Yeah, coffee in it. How is he going to check for the problem in Ghana?
Now, Sister Queer, in the private school now working, all the private school now working, then you now belong to
That's how they be boy. One more mammy accent. One for accent.
I confused. Aquano, I confused because I'm like what did you say? I was a little
accent. A locally foreign acquired one. And to me, who location me wants a new geographical location.
Hey, you people should drop that show. That show. We needed you. We fucking needed you to speak accent. You were here. The man was giving us.
Yet he had
I confused as to what was going on. I was like,
Coffee now, so we had the inlet to be the first. You remember
I was telling you from the beginning, say, are you ready for this?
I thought you were sensible. Sometimes you need to give people the benefit of the doubt.
And then
you need to give people the opportunity to surprise you.
You people should now see what I'm going through at home. Imagine me going through this at home with a father.
No,
Hey,
you see,
everybody to give me emotional support.
okay, you see, I wouldn't have any problem if somebody says the type of education another was providing had challenges. Of course, all
And I said,
educational
yes,
reforms or
it's a
whatever.
policy, so
But
definitely.
to make that categorical statement, what says schools, you know, he
How
destroyed
I say
education.
or
No,
or
but the man,
fankwala or admitting kwala ni bebre.
are you
How?
people mad? If people don't go to school, that one we have not destroyed them. But even when
No.
they go and they face challenges, we have destroyed them. Idiots.
Now, Mr. Marcus, abroad I am more free high school no education system na say na.
Now,
So what are we?
they have
I
all the
don't
best
get it.
facilities. You know, problems are yet to Ebini.
What you say?
It's
Now
not
me
what
can
I'm
say.
saying.
language.
And then momo kura mu honom na yetime bi so obi say, what is the past tense of go kura woni mu no?
Mr. Marcus, now me can say to say every who say a school term do a honoma semester do a honoma. They are even seeking the community's help in some education reforms at the counties, at the states. It's, you know, it's not perfect anywhere. But the point is that every time they learn and they make an enhancement. So when the NDC follow the full platform, you so and any other platform, and they make it seem as if Nanado,
What?
any visitors buy no, or by the who to say schools. No, I get really confused. So now I was like, is this a human being talking? Because how do you tell me that Obi Abema free SHS ama Ikolani Bebe etimia ko school no? Ono mo ba be say education system. Meanwhile, check Ghana illiteracy rate question there.
Yeah.
Education
It is
system na
the
say.
only in NDC that Afabako school no crown. Even if they go to school and they vacate and they sit back home 1 month or 2 months and they will get pregnant. But if they don't go, they won't get pregnant.
Uncle Marcus na mbe no obi bado. I say there Akufo-Addo before ansa na Akufo-Addo be free SHS no na mmɔfra mba a wɔkɔ school wɔn dɔɔso nti na ɔma wɔn a wɔ failing ye hu da wɔ dɔɔso asịsịa na wɔgu emu na wɔadɔɔso no ɔno nti na wɔama wɔn a wɔa failing no so wɔadɔɔso
NDC, divine connection.
Erade nyame Jesus Christ.
These people are my uncles and my fathers at home. These people you guys are talking to, they are my fathers and my uncles at home that are older than me. Every day I want to beat them.
No,
Every
you
day
see,
I want to beat my father.
I go say there are some of them who intentionally do these things because to them, no, you see, and that thing that they do, no, it has a psychological effect. They are told to push a certain narrative, and the more people see it, the more people believe it. But I keep on saying that the MPP tolerates such nonsense from them. That's why they keep doing me. It doesn't matter where I sit. If I'm there and an NDC man makes that statement, I'll call him out. He's an idiot. And because he doesn't want to be called an idiot, he will stop saying that. And I'll prove to him why he's an idiot. Not just that, I'll prove to him with education why he's an idiot. Now philosophers, Omunga said no child is a tabula rasa. Oh, every child is ready to learn when you put the right structures in place.
Yeah.
Nti obi say education on your body. If you think that there's a problem because many people are in school, what is your alternative? What is your alternative? The alternative that you think you are bringing, is it actually solving the problem? Them community day schools here, how has it impacted education in Ghana? Let's go and look at the result of the community school, even the few ones. They are the ones who are failing brutally, bringing vagabonds into Ghana. Effect on your papa. Go to the community schools. Now, what they bear as a solution to an ailing education system and go and look at their results. Go to the ones that they brought and go and look at their results. And still go to Prempe and go and look at their result. If private school system now or the community school on or solve Ghana's education problems or challenges, you catch on the one And if you want to know how they think, see, the graphics are there. Look at Parliament. What is happening there? The man what you. One number pada. Gigi. They don't know. And the paper be a man won't to me. I know what it is Parliament. Bro, for but down for be wakasa bekade. What in on Sisido. The NDC be a Rebecca Sakran NDC free, Obiana Yemshin, including Speaker of Parliament. Let me see. Na Dominion pay as man do uncle ECOWAS Parliament or UN. No uncle D uncle yet transactions on behalf of Ghana. Abadi no kakeo. Eso one in them communities na one papa nyansan bia wenyim when they are talking. They are no how want to mean yet. Adibia they have an alternative which is worse, yet they don't know. Na dollar. We disgrace. Is this? Is that? He's autistic. No more coffee, baby. You think economics or a one-sided idea by pushing dollars, creating artificial rating is going to earn something for you. Go and look at the market. What are because people are rational. People don't behave like the typical NDC robots. People or the market does not behave like the typical NDC robot. AI is now what we go platforms to do no. I catch on the one for hand, one man. I go for dollars just to prevent people from having it. Now, don't you know it will have effects? Oh, dollar above. What is the effect? What is the effect? The BIU people are looking at the cause and not the effect. Every day, NDC has a cause to do something, but the effect, they don't care. Na Ghana for you're careful. You could say the Munkofu. Now, the effect is what we are feeling. As for the NDC, they are only interested in the action that can deceive the ordinary person. But its impact, they don't care. Na say ya breso na nkofo kasa na asanso aba na eba man accent. We can't take that one too. That one we won't take it.
Mr. Marcus, say ya nhwe a wo ho. The way NDC decide this as a BBA, they will find ways and means to link NPP to it. No. Enya me wan say NDC at the end of 4 years, if they are not able to achieve anything, omo de be say Ghana for say Ghana for to abama omo bebre enti no omo overwhelming majority no enu enti no mo ntimi am performing. I wouldn't be surprised. I said they will end up blaming Ghanaians said because Ghanaians voted for them massively enti no enu enti no mo ntimi am performing at the end of the day.
But even the ending of the double track, what did the government, Nana elsewhere's government, Abasham no working? By 2026 because of the secondary school expansion facility programs in Intino. By 2026, they would have ended it. And as a result of that, 887 schools in Ghana all had a new agenda. From dining hall, science resource buses, to teachers' bungalow, depending on the needs of the school. In there, go to every secondary school in Ghana. All the facilities are there. Akadenka, Abanwe, Sanyansano, go and complete all the facilities and make sure that you enroll more. What's that be? They will extend it to private schools. I promise you. Or extend it to private schools. After they will end it in 2027. An initial project which will end in 2026 was problematic. But a solution to the problem will end in 2027, and that is not a problem to them. A lithium deal that a Ghana earned 10% of it was problematic to the NDC. But when they come, 5% is okay. Sankofu inti sebi. Sankofu sebi. Abien papa. Adwene ya papa. Nana under Nanado, Galamsey was worse and they couldn't wait. They had to demonstrate, including everybody. Today, we can wait. Whilst the situation is worse. Because as Uncle Fu, what dialectical deficiencies are. What's you now? And be running the more Casal Moody at them. Now, Sabi Obia, but the young can't know papa. The man, the Debia Macano, Miss Alfred one fancy if I be Papa she. Our I dream of problem. Or the what no comment hospital. No, so young shit. You feed all your arguments.
Ebusa for paso bomodiana like a mamena repost if you haven't reposted. You see, we say
seriously say ka say Ghana ye be serious nanka minim say minjin this say sorry minjin this say NDC as a political party no mbenya nipa momodi omachi because I come here say nipa na omodi omachi no dodo wana no omo sense of reason and a sense of understanding no form what did I na say send you almost junior ade ho and say almost see ase no e wo form and then here one factor ama o man Ghana e ka atwe ti dem kan ye send you see junior ade no and send you see ade na say e one factor ama o man no e ka atwe and e ade e very worrying I was see a hwe ne ye na etimi etoto ne ma eden e ne ye ma ne ye because we can't live in a country saying that Timamufoni be edging. It makes the country goes back. And it's very worrying. A idea a hard dream a hard dream papa. You see, the CNA I know what I say. The people are what's in are failing. And a broad dreaming to say so. But look at what people are saying. It is very sad, bro. It is very, very sad. By next year, and there is nothing we can do about it. There is nothing we can do about it. That's the honest truth. And yes, area. But these people don't think about us. So what are you going to do? You just need to keep quiet and watch them do whatever they want to do. But if you're to be in any serious country, by this time I was saying, Ghana Education Service, any Ministry of Education, are calling for investigation into this matter. Planning to me fairly to this extent. But no, they are doing politics with it. Obviously, that's NDC for you. That is NDC for you. And sometimes I don't blame them. I blame the people who voted for the NDC. Because they don't think about the normal citizen. That's the honest truth. How you gonna send TV? I'm just on the promise. I'm going to comment section.